for their rights. We have been deprived for 50 years. So don't play with student politics anymore. The students should be given the right to write in Roman script. We have seen the statement of Chief Minister. I believe he is immature. He should understand very much of imposing the Roman script. He studies himself in Roman script, I believe. He said, Doctor. So he very much studied in Roman script. And why he is opposing the Roman script? First of all, let him close down all the state English medium schools, and he may have grandchildren. Let him send his grandchildren to the Bengali medium school. Then we the people will accept whatever he said. So our message will be very clear. For 50 years we TSF are demanding this demand. Government of Tripura and Government of India should very much listen and understand it.
Ini Tuiwan dalam TISF ni berkata sini kaisa kaduma panda kok borok no jor jabardasti no student dong no Mukhyamantri ni Chakrantani bisingtei Manik Shah ni Chakrantani bisingtei इंग्राजी पढ़ने स्टूडेंट दंना बांग्ला स्क्रिप्ट बाय माया ननो सैदि हने जबरदस्ती चापाय रजक माने आमने विरोधिता खालायनाय एने सुनामुरा डिविजन नि उद्योगे तिनि अर कायसा टीआईएसएफ नि उद्योगे रे लिखायजाक दङ आं निजे पार्टिसिपेट खायका ए जत्तनो अ जागाबो कबकनाय sini ছাত্র-ছাত্রী ni ভবিষ্যৎ ni ওয়ানশপ नङा जों खाव सबय बमाबो फारक जों जत्तनो sini बसाबतै नि लगे बर्न जों लगे रे थाय ते बसाबतै नि भविष्यत नि बागै जों ওয়ানশপ खाय हामबाय